Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's stream. Just gonna go overview, nothing too exciting today. Definitely could have traded better, but came out green, which is nice. So came out up about 130 bucks on the day. Nothing crazy, but had a pretty bad red day last Friday, and I'm gonna actually go over that at the end of this video. So stick around if you want to hear about that. If you want to hear how I lost $1,300 in 20 seconds, so stick around to the end of the video for that. But yeah, today's trades went pretty well. First trade I took was on Tesla. Was watching this on a 1 minute here, and I was waiting for a break below 700, but I got an early entry here. Was watching this support area. Got an entry here for the rejection of the EMA, broke below 700, took profits really quick. If I held on, it would have been a crazy bag on this, but like I said, big red day Friday, so it was just playing it safe. And then I took another trade on Tesla right here. I actually got in here for an early entry as it was rejecting here. Came down and bounced off 690, which I was afraid of. And then right when it came up, I took profits, got out right away. As you can see, if I would have held on a little longer, it would have been insane. But I didn't, it's all good. So pretty solid day on Tesla there. And then another one I traded today was UPST, which has been extremely hot. And I played the 210 break on this. I wish I would have caught the 205 break, but I totally missed it while I was trading Tesla. But yeah, this is a quick scalp. I knew it was extended, so got in here and then sold right here. Decent little profit. And yeah, so 130 on the day. Just happy to be green. So, all right, let's get into what happened Friday, some mistakes I made, what I could have done better, and yeah, let's go over that. So let me kind of break down what I was thinking here and go over with you guys what happened here on Tesla. So if you're looking at this on the daily, right, we were watching Tesla for a break of this flag pattern right here, right? And we got a massive push up above that at 7:15 for the 7:15 break on Thursday. And basically what I was watching for continuation above these two key levels going into Friday. So here's my logic behind these two levels. 726 was a pre-market, I wasn't watching this level on Friday. I was just watching this level. 726 was a pre-market high, and then all-time high, or not all-time high, the high of this break was right here. So if you duplicate this drawing, move it to the top of this wick, as you guys can see right here, the top of that wick, that was my logic. So I was like, if we can break the pre-market high, we should be able to break 727. If we break 727, we should be able to head up to 730. But let me break down what ended up happening here. So right at open, we get a massive push up. I went to enter right here for the break of 726. I knew this thing was going to push. A pop-up screen came up on my interactive brokers. I clicked OK, read it quick, clicked OK, and it filled me at the top of this wick. And keep in mind, I was trading same-day options here. And literally got filled and it instantly tanks. Comes down here, comes up, retests. I'm still down a ton because I got filled on the top of this wick. Comes down and I get stopped out here. Down $700, right? This candle instantly gets bought up and comes back up here, and I re-enter, and it tanks again, down 1,300. So quite a few mistakes made here overall. I traded the open. That's risk. That's a lot of risk there, and I traded it heavy. I bought, and then I added, and I added again. So I was in this very heavy because I was very bullish on the fact that if this could break 727, that we were going to see 730. As you can see, we did see 730 later in the day, but it wouldn't have mattered because same day contracts, time decay is so bad that throughout all this chop and by the time it came out, it wouldn't have even been worth it to hold through that. So overall, trading the open, I need to, lesson number one, if you are trading open, trade light, because it's a bit of a gamble off the open. So trade light. Rule number two, if something happens that kind of messes with your mind, take a breather. And for me, that was the pop-up screen. Popped up and I instantly panicked and I started just buying it up because I thought I was going to miss a move. And then number three, just being cautious and sizing down on Fridays. We all know Fridays are choppy. Markets are extremely hard on Fridays. And you're trading same days a lot of time when you're scalping, and you can lose your ass on them. So sizing down is super important. And then I'll go ahead and say rule number four is follow your max loss rule. I should have been done after that first trade, or at least should have taken a 15-minute break, 15-minute break. But I re-entered right here, and that was another huge loss. My loss would have been half the amount if I would have just stayed away from this re-entry. But I was so afraid to miss this move because I was so bullish on this move that I was just willing to go all in on it. So keep preconceived thoughts or opinions of what a stock's going to do, keep it out of it, and wait for the move to actually happen, and that's when you need to trade it. So hopefully that helps you guys and allows you guys to not make the same mistake, even though you probably will, because it happens to everyone. But yeah, overall, hope you guys had a good day trading, and I will see you tomorrow. Later.